Hi, my name is Parisa and I'm a psychotherapist based in Ontario, Canada. Do you often find that you second guess yourself, you question yourself a lot? Do you often find that you have a hard time making decisions? Or, for example, in social setting, you have a lot to say, but you often hold it in, not say anything out of fear of judgment or how it'll be received by the people around you. I mean, this can affect everything. This can affect your work relationships, your relationship with your spouse, or even with your families, because you can't really express yourself if you're lacking in confidence and you're unsure of your responses to other people. So if this sounds like you, at Parisa Counselling, we may actually be able to help. At Parisa Counselling, we offer self-esteem counseling. Self-esteem counseling will help you overcome low self-esteem, overcome feelings of self-doubt that are holding you back in different life areas, and overall overcome your insecurities. So you can expect to actually feel more confident after you've had these sessions with us. If you want to find out more about how we can support you with that, I've linked to our website right under the video, so you can find out more about me, our counseling services, specifically self-esteem counseling services. We can't wait to connect with you soon.